In order for Big Data Revealed to make its claims of the most comprehensive GDPR, CCPA and general data regulatory compliance application, I feel it needs to show through its comprehensive metadata catalog and interface and content just why this claim is demonstratable. Without extensible, comprehensive, accurate, and complete metadata of the discovery of citizens' personal information and citizens' requests of erasure and the rest of the citizens' regulatory rights to request, in metadata or executed real-time, compliance just becomes a word and a concept and not an accurate nor real deliverable. The metadata delivery is broken down into 4 parts. Each selection allows for the user to select a span of dates they are interested in reviewing and/or analyzing. The user may also select the patterns of personal data within these time frames they are interested in, as well as any actual citizens' personal information they want to inquire and validate. The results of these user requests will be delivered in Excel spreadsheets for your use and your dissemination and collaboration with others. Pattern discovery results show by time frame, file name, column ID, how many rows found for that pattern or citizen value, total rows in the file and the exact row the citizen's personal data was found in. The exact row is crucial to accurately delete the correct value from the legacy or other systems when using the metadata. Quick classification. This does not necessarily pertain to just one citizen. This process discovers all the patterns for all, or the selected personal data based on the user's run parameters and then determines by file and column, what personal data resides in the rows of those columns that matched a discovered pattern. There may be just Social Security in a specific column, or there may be Social Security 70% of the time and IP address 20% of the time and other values the other 10% of the time, or I should say for this run or time frame. Now we can look at the same layout and see how many times specific citizens' personal data resides in files and what columns of those files and even the rows within those files. Again, this becomes very helpful in fulfilling GDPR, CCPA and many other regulatory requirements. Deleted search word for the metadata for the results of a citizen's request of erasure. Pattern discovery that searches for the patterns of personal information or the actual personal information of the requesting citizen, such as their actual Social Security, phone number, passport ID and so on. Here we can see and find the file, column, and rows of the citizen's requested data to be erased. This also serves well as historical audit and to be used when new data is ingested and compared to this file, so the citizen's data does not end up back into the company's information assets. Lastly, let's look at the data discovery. It is like the nucleus for all pattern and value discoveries as well as requests for erasure, how one's data is used or whom it may have been given to and more. Data discovery also guides the drilling process to the system source of record for additional validation of accurate or false positives. Along with the complete data profiling delivery, data discovery also delivers outlier discovery to aid in the determination of business subject areas as anti-money laundering, out of the norm amount of transactions or money flow, parts that are reporting out of range postings that signify they may be breaking down or a part they depend upon may be breaking down, and many more business and scientific deliveries. This metadata catalog reflects the citizen's personal data they requested or all of their personal data to be deleted from all files, office documents, OCR, PDF files, emails, big data as well as legacy, SQL and mainframes and biometrics for their deletion of pictures and objects based on facial and object recognition technology. This big data revealed metadata may be used on its own or in conjunction with, imported into, and integrated into other metadata tools. Call Steve 847-791-7838.